Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in Falls Church, Virginia. Everything is coming along very well and very organized. Now the homeowner had some nice bushes in this area, so not to cause any damage, we draped the tarp over the area. Now all the debris that's ripped off this roof, lower roof and also the upper roof, we walk it across and we throw it right into the dump truck. Now the type of material that we're going to be installing is called GAF Timberline HD. It's a lifetime warranty shingle and the color is Fox Hollow Gray. Now when you look at the upper roof, you can see along the gutter line a dark gray. That's the ice and water shingle. The lighter gray, that's the synthetic underlayment. I wanted to show you something really important. Now the type of felt paper they had on this home, it's this one right here. This is the 15-pound felt, and this rips very, very easily. It's not good, so I don't recommend this. This is a synthetic underlayment. It's about 600 times stronger. It's much better. So in all jobs, we use a synthetic. Now the type of ridge vent system they have, it's the aluminum ridge vent, and this is a sample that I use. It's a 12-inch piece that I cut. The aluminum ridge vents, they come in 8 and 10-foot lengths. Now it's very thin, and you can see if I was to put some pressure on this, I could very easily dent this. And if somebody was to step on this when it's installed on the roof, they can also crack it, split it, and it can cause a leak as well. So I do not install that for any new roofs. Now this is made by GAF. This is a ridge vent too. It's called Snow and Country. It's a much, much stronger, better system. And this is fastened into place with 3-inch galvanized roofing nails. Now, after the vent is installed, then we install the cap shingles. And when everything is done, I can walk on this and I won't cause any damage whatsoever. Now, the type of pipe flanges they have on this home is the aluminum pipe flanges, and the rubber collar is very, very thin. So even if the new roof is installed perfectly, the first place they're going to develop a leak is at the flanges, especially because of the rubber being deteriorated, and that can happen as soon as like 10 or 12 years. So instead of using this, we use this. This is called Easy Sleeve, and this pipe flange is made for a 1-inch pipe, and this is a 3-inch pipe. So this is a bigger flange than this one. But this comes with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and I install this on all new jobs as well. Now the type of shingle they have on their home, it's this one right here. It's the CertainTeed XT25. It's a 3-tab shingle. It's not a good shingle, but a lot of homeowners still like it, and some HOAs, are very demanding. They want the homeowner to go with the same style. But many HOAs are allowing upgrades where people can install architectural. So instead of using this, we use this. And this one is called GAF Timberline HD. It has a wind resistance of 130 miles per hour, and this is 60. It has a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and this is only 25. Now, even though these are great products, this and this and this, and also the synthetic underlayment, they are only as good as the contractor who installs it. And I cannot stress that enough. So after a new roof is installed, visibly, everything could look beautiful. But to a trained eye, somebody like me, if I went up on the roof and I was checking the architectural shingles, if the shingles are not fastened perfectly according to the manufacturer's specifications, not only can the home develop leaks at the flashings, but this shingle can even blow off with 40 or 50 mile per hour winds. So the overall installation, it has to be done right the first time, because if it's not, honestly, the home could have problems for the lifetime of the roof. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Oh, also very important, I will give you this, and a synthetic underlayment at the same price as the cheaper materials. So in other words, you will get the best for less. Thanks again. This is Steve, Roofer 911. I can be reached at 703 475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.